You keep leveling up your income, but your bank account never gets the memo. That's what happens when old money patterns quietly run your life. You can out earn your past, but you can't outrun your money mindset. And until that shifts, the struggle stays the same no matter the income. Welcome to the episode 1 of our series, Why Most People Stay Broke. Today, we are going deeper than budgets and upsides. We are going to explore what your mind believes about money and how that belief quietly controls your bank account. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe. You know how this usually goes. You watch a powerful video, you feel motivated, and then life pulls you away. Don't let this be another insight you forget about. If you're serious about changing your money story, lock in the progress you have already started. Hit subscribe so we can stay with the journey instead of drifting off the track. Let's start with your beliefs. What your family taught you, what your culture told you. Did you grow up hearing, we don't have money, money doesn't grow on trees, or only lucky people become rich? These statements might sound innocent, but they become mental scripts that run us. Let's say, for example, if you believe I'm not the kind of person who is good with money, then even with a good raise, you'll spend or sabotage yourself. Here's a small tip for you. After you finish watching this video, I want you to sit down and write down 3 money beliefs you grew up with, and then ask yourself, is this actually true or just automatic? Because awareness is the first step towards real change. Next comes to the issue of emotional spending. Many people believe that staying broke is simply about not earning enough. But in reality, a large part of financial struggle comes from spending driven by emotion rather than need. Stressed, shopping. When bored, shopping. When seeking approval from society, shopping. A survey by Ali Financial revealed that 46% of Americans acknowledge that their emotions influence their spending habits. This creates a familiar cycle. Emotions trigger the purchase, guilt follows, and the pattern repeats. The solution starts with a pause. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if this is solving a real problem or is it just an emotional urge. Implementing a 24-hour rule can help. When an impulse hits, wait a full day. More often, you'll realize the item wasn't truly needed, and eventually the desire fades. Alright, now let's flip it. What do wealthy people think and do differently from you? They view money as a tool, not a goal. They build habits consistently, such as automatic savings, investing before spending, budgeting with purpose. They surround themselves with a growth mindset, learning about money psychology. For instance, they pay themselves first, which is saving or investments come before lifestyle. They automate their finances so emotions don't get the upper hand. They continually upgrade their money mindset by reading good books, courses, and version upgrades. If you adopt even one of these habits this week, you will begin to see the difference. Here is a 3 step plan to shift your money mindset. Step 1 is to identify the so called limiting belief which you have been hearing from your childhood. I want you to write it on a piece of paper so that you can see it clearly and then rewrite it as a positive belief. For example, instead of writing money is hard, I want you to write I deserve to build wealth. Your step 2 is to automate a micro habit. For example, set up an auto transfer to your savings on payday or allocate 10% of each income increase to investments. And now for the most important step, educate yourself. Commit to one book, one course, or one video per week about money psychology and wealth habits. I'll be sharing these important insights throughout this series, and after each video, I'll provide more of these powerful lessons. So make sure you watch the next video to get the full value of this free financial knowledge. Check the links in the description for a course and a book I highly recommend. It will help you reprogram your money beliefs faster. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to see this. And comment below what belief are you going to change. This series isn't just a collection of tips, it's a guided transformation. Every upcoming episode takes you deeper into mastering your inner wealth. So don't miss what's coming. Stay focused, keep upgrading your mindset, and see you in the episode number 2.